outside of the way. There's another one. There. Is this the right one? That's it.
Thank you. You're welcome.
This is the right one, Alexander. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
So much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
There you go. Have a good one. Thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me, sorry. Excuse me, sorry, excuse me. I can't move to the side. Let's just stand here and talk in the middle of the entrance. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, it caused an accident. They're all standing there talking. You know, there's a box in the middle of the street and they don't notice. And of course not. It's my good deed for the day. Big hurry going nowhere. Now he's gonna go back now, right? He's gonna race back to the other side. Look at this nitwit. There's a reason your light was red. Slow down! That's it. Thank you. Yep.
94.
94, thank you. The hell? Dude, you're riding in the middle of the street with your kid going the wrong way. There's a space right there, but they park right in the middle of the street. Jesus. And this stupid shit. They just leave it right in the middle of nowhere. Come on, I got you. You walk here, and I'll protect you. Stay on that side. Come on. You're good. Alright, all set. Have a good day, right? Thank you. You got people trying to run over people because they're in a big hurry to race to a light. Got no respect for people. Whoa, 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 slow down, man. You got a woman with a kid up there. Slow down. Take it easy. Racing to get to a light. I wonder what happened. There's an ambulance. I wonder. A left turn from the middle lane. People are just stupid. He ran the stop sign, it's okay. He just comes up and runs, you know, just... I like how they honk when they're wrong and they honk the horn. More idiocy. Why would you leave it right in the middle of the crosswalk where people have to walk? Why? Idiots everywhere in this place. Too much effort just to move the thing out of the way. Just leave it right in the middle of the freaking sidewalk where people have to walk. Suppose someone in a wheelchair or someone, you know, on crutches has to walk through there. You don't know what you're going? Okay, you can't pull over. There might be a car coming up behind you and then they crash into you. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to stop in the middle of the street and think about it.
Let me get that ice cream. I have to be over there with Jamaica.
Yep, wrong side in the middle of the street. Brilliant. Yep, run that stop sign. Don't even bother trying to slow down. What kind of an idiot leaves this right here? Because they can't go like that. Pick it up. People are lazy, man. Lazy. Leave it right in the middle of the street. Lazy freaking people. what these people are doing. Oh, she's making a left. Okay. Oh, that's what it is. That's what's causing all that. Unbelievable. Must be on the phone. Wake up! You're sitting there, just looking at the phone in the middle of the intersection. Brilliant. Nice turn signal, lady. Nice turn signal. Next one was running into me. I got it on body cam. It's okay. That's what I'm gonna do. Good place to. I can't wait till a bus comes. Let's just stop and have a conversation at a bus stop in the middle of the street with traffic coming at us. BMW, of course. Of course it's a BMW. Probably speeding. Well, I won't stand there. A car could be coming here. It's funny how he just walks off and he doesn't notice the kid standing in the middle of the intersection. He's squeaking. I think that's my bottom bracket. You know, 8,000 miles. What do you expect? You know, this bike has 8,600 miles on it. When you stop pedaling, it stops. When you start pedaling, it starts squeaking again.